everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has literally been ages since I've sat down in front of the camera and filmed a video for you, so I'm really sorry about that. I think it's literally been over a year since I've put a video up. So firstly, I want to say thank you to everybody that has stuck around and who is still subscribed to me. So yeah, I thought I would film a homeware haul video for you today because obviously we are in lockdown at the minute due to the coronavirus, and I'm also on the vulnerable list, so I'm shielding, so I'm literally just at home. And we all know I love a bit of shopping, so I've been having to shop online. I will link all the items down below as much as I can. Yeah, let's get straight into the video. Yeah, the first item I wanted to show you was this. This I bought for the bathroom. The bathroom doesn't really have any rose gold in it at all, but you know, had to put it in there somewhere. But yeah, this was from Asda. I have this on the windowsill, and yeah, I just think it's quite cool. The next thing I have is this fake plant. I never have been good at keeping plants alive. After lockdown, when I'm finally allowed to go to some shops, I desperately want to buy some real plants and give it a go. But at the minute, I do just have artificial ones. This one is from Sainsbury's, their home range. It's quite dinky, it's quite cute. I just have this next to the sink, and our bathroom, it's wooden and grey and green. This is, just realised I've got it backwards. This is from H&M, so I do get a little bit of cheeky staff discount, which I love. But yeah, H&M does have a home range, a homeware range, and oh my god, it is stunning. If I could buy the lot, I would. It's obviously glass, and yeah, I've got my jewellery in there. I just liked that it was see-through. The bottom of it does have a mirror as well. I don't want to tilt it because everything will just fall. I will link it down below if you did want to check it out. But yeah, I love this. They do various shapes and sizes, but I thought this one was kind of perfect. So yeah, I have that in my room as my little jewellery box. These next two items I've got for the kitchen. I originally just bought them. I didn't even know what I was going to use them for. They're just a couple of mason jars, and as you can see, they're rose gold, which I love. They do say something on them, but I'm not entirely sure what they said. Just thought I'll use them for pasta or something like that. So I've got little bow pasta and macaroni pasta. I thought they were quite cute. These are from Home Bargains. They were, I think, literally maybe like £2.50 each, something like that. They're such a bargain. Home Bargains, I know. I might as well show you the next item we have in the kitchen. So, not gonna lie, this is mainly just for show. I kind of just bought it because I thought it was very cute. And watch this. Don't know if I'm gonna leave that in. We'll see. If I find it funny, I'll leave that in for you to watch. We didn't see that. But yeah, I'll spin it a bit slower. It does spin. And it's obviously rose gold. But yeah, and it comes with the spices, which I quite like that. This I got off Amazon. I think it was like £25. Yeah, I just really liked that it's fun. Just really liked it. Okay, so the next item that I've got is for the kitchen. I'm fully aware it's not going to be everyone's taste, but I'm a massive Disney fan, and my favourite film is Ratatouille. And this is our cookie jar. Oh my god, I love this. I love it so much. Gusto. If you haven't seen Ratatouille, by the way, you best put that on now and watch it. Obviously after watching this video, of course. But yeah, this is our little cookie jar, and it's got all the sort of writing on the back. It's got his little signature, and even the lid is like really cool as well. This is from the Disney store. Again, I can't remember the price. It might have been like 20, 25, 30 pounds. But I love it, and it is porcelain, you know, it's proper, really nice quality. And yeah, chocolate digestives in there at the minute. Probably my favourite item in the entire kitchen. I love it so much. Next thing I've got are these. Ooh, it's got an A on the bottom. It's called something like Amara or something like that. It's a really nice website. I'd never come across it before. And these are coasters. As you can see, they're really thin, coppery metal, but they're kind of rainbowy as well. And you get 4 of them, and they come in this nice little holder. Those were £25, which is a little bit pricey for some coasters, I'm fully aware. But Ewan bought these, so it's alright. I couldn't be bothered to empty it, so ignore the crap that's inside it. But look at this, how cute. I'm kind of thinking it might end up in this room actually. This is in our bedroom. This is also from H&M Home. I love it, it's so cute. It's a little basket and I just love anything with pom-poms on. It's just adorable, and then mustard. I might actually get a plant and put it in here possibly. That is all that I've got to show you to hand. The rest of the items are kind of attached things, so I figured I would just move the camera around the house and show you that way. This is our Ikea mirror. I absolutely love it. From the side angle you can see it's like thin and then it goes thick. So it's almost got like a little shelf, so I've put a little fox there. As you all know, I like my little foxes. That was £75, which again I don't think is too bad. They do different colours of wood. We opted for the sort of darker wood. This is from Matalan and it was £14. Again, yes, it is artificial. Our little table's got wooden legs. It's grey and it's obviously just one drawer. But that was £20. Is from The Range, which also they do really nice home stuff. This is from Marks and Spencer's and it was £18, I believe. Again, a little bit pricey, but it's gonna last forever. Argos, £45. Really impressed. We ended up buying 2. I love them. You got your shelves for your shoes all the way up. You've got a rail here. You've got this rail here can be for like longer items, dresses, etc. And then you've got another rail there, and that fits all my clothes in. It doesn't fit my coats. That was never going to happen. I have way too many coats. But yeah, it does fit all my clothes in there, summer and winter. You do have this, obviously, that you can pull down. And there is, I don't know if you can see, like little, they're meant to be shoe compartments on the side, but I've put my hats and that in there. Okay, so that is my homeware haul video for you. I really hoped you enjoyed it. So please give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe if you did want to see more. Yes, I will be filming more videos. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!